Welcome back to Viet Flavors. Today we're making a beloved Vietnamese comfort dish, macaroni soup with chicken. This light and nutritious soup is a staple in many Vietnamese families and can be enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Let's start with our ingredients. We have 1 medium free-range chicken, cleaned, 400 grams rice macaroni, 250 grams carrot, and if you like, you can add some quail eggs for extra richness. Now, a quick note about rice macaroni. Rice macaroni is a type of pasta made primarily from rice flour, whereas traditional pasta is typically made from durum wheat flour. Rice macaroni offers a gluten-free alternative to traditional pasta and is often found in Asian grocery stores or the international sections of supermarkets. Its soft, chewy texture is perfect for soaking up the flavors of our chicken broth. For the broth, we use 1 yellow onion, 1/2 daikon radish, 4 slices fresh ginger root, 1 can chicken stock, and a few pantry staples. For garnish, we have green onions, cilantro, fried garlic, fried shallots, Thai chilies, and lime. Let's begin by making the broth. Place your cleaned chicken in a medium pot, then add the yellow onion, daikon radish, and ginger slices. Pour in enough water to cover the chicken and bring it to a boil. As it cooks, skim off any impurities that rise to the surface. This step helps keep our broth clear and clean. Simmer the chicken until it's thoroughly cooked. Once done, transfer the chicken to a large bowl of cold water for about 5 minutes. This helps keep the meat juicy and makes it easier to handle. Then, shred or slice the chicken into bite-sized pieces and set aside. Don't forget to reserve the broth. We'll be coming back to it soon. While the chicken cools, let's cook the rice macaroni. In another pot, bring water to a boil with a drizzle of oil. Add the rice macaroni and cook until just tender. Drain and set aside. Rice macaroni cooks quickly, so keep an eye on it to avoid overcooking. Next, cut the carrot into bite-sized pieces. Finally, chop your green onions and cilantro. These fresh garnishes will add a burst of color and flavor to our finished soup. Now, return to your pot of reserved chicken broth. If you want a crystal-clear soup, you can strain the broth at this stage. Add the canned chicken stock and bring everything to a gentle boil. Season the broth with mushroom powder, salt, and fish sauce to taste. Add the carrot pieces and simmer until they're tender. This broth is light and nutritious, making it a perfect base for our soup. It's not heavy, so it's easy to enjoy any time of day. Now it's time to assemble our bowls. Place a portion of cooked rice macaroni in each serving bowl. Top with shredded chicken and a few quail eggs if you like. Ladle the hot broth over the macaroni and chicken, making sure to include some carrot pieces. Finish with a generous sprinkle of green onions, cilantro, fried garlic, and fried shallots. Serve with Thai chilies and lime on the side for a little extra kick and brightness. And there you have it, Vietnamese macaroni soup with chicken, a well-known comfort dish in Vietnamese homes. It's light, nutritious, and full of flavor. Thank you for joining me on Viet Flavors. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let us know in the comments how your soup turned out and what other Vietnamese dishes you'd like to see next. See you next time.